Could you introduce yourself and your company?
Okay. My name is Paul Morris, and I'm the Managing Director of Tocardo Interview Limited, which is a UK company, and also a subsidiary of Tocardo International BV, which is essentially my Dutch parent company.
And could you tell us about the tidal turbine technology which Tocardo offers?
Sure. It's a direct drive permanent magnet turbine, subsea turbine. It's bidirectional, which is quite unusual, and it has a unique mechanism that turns the blades. It's not pitched, but it turns the blades when the tide flows from a different direction. It's smaller than the large majority of tidal turbines that are being made now. We have three different turbines, a 100 kilowatt, a 200 kilowatt and a 500 kilowatt machine. And we've been making them for 5 years now. We've had one in the water for 5 years, and we're actually selling them and installing them as we speak now.
And so what are your sort of primary markets and who are your clients?
Well, because it's an in-stream and a tidal turbine, there's three markets really. There's in-stream, which is rivers, near-shore and offshore. Near-shore and offshore are the tidal markets, and the bidirectional features of the turbines work there. At the moment, the in-river ones are being sold in the Far East, countries like Nepal. We're talking to the Canadians at the moment, and we have arrangements and agreements on the west coast and the east coast of Canada. We're looking at the US as well, Hudson River, the Mississippi, where we're talking to people. Other countries in the Far East, Japan, they're buying some turbines for us. We have a contract there to supply them with turbines, and other places in the Far East and in Europe. Obviously, because it's a Dutch turbine, the Dutch are buying them to install in some of the barrages in Holland. And we're looking at the UK market now as well.
And so where do you see the technology going in 5 years' time?
Well, really, it'll be down to the current technology becoming more sophisticated. There won't be huge changes, except in the area of software that controls the turbines, if you like. I see also there'll be a separation for size. At the moment, we're at the smaller end of the scale, and we did think about moving up to compete with the 1 megawatt manufacturers. We're thinking that probably will stay down at the smaller size now, because you have a greater range of sites you can fit your turbines in, and the depth of water isn't so critical with a smaller turbine.
And what does the company need now to move forward?
The company needs some sites in the UK, essentially. We're doing a lot of business all over the rest of the world, and we need some sites in the UK. We're currently talking to a number of people who have those sites, and hopefully we'll make some progress there, essentially.
Thank you very much.
Okay.